Hey guys, it's Archibald Chesterfield III, and today guys, I am doing an unboxing. It's an unboxing, and I gotta tell you man, this is an incredible situation that's unfolded. Basically what happened was, I was happy with my 5 Patek Philippe's, and I had a friend of a friend of a friend who wanted me to sell one of his 5296s, which I did the deal. Then I gotta tell you something, guys. What happened was, I had another guy who came to me in Sydney and said, "Hey Arch, I got a Patek 6006. I'd like to swap it for your 5296. Can you put in a couple of grand?" And we got a deal. And I thought about it. I thought, you know what? I had the 5127 and the 5296, both white gold, both opaline dials. And I thought, you know something? I wouldn't mind getting the 6006. So guys, I did the deal. The watch itself, it came from Marina Bay Sands, Cortina in Singapore. And basically the guy who bought it, look, I gotta be honest with you, I've met him. He's a lovely gentleman, drives a Tesla, he's so cool, but a bit of a dick when it comes to watches. He bought it at retail, 41,800 Singapore dollars. He may have got some tax back, 7% when he left Singers. And I gotta tell you, man, I gotta tell you, he brought it. The watch itself, I've really loved this watch. It's a Patek Philippe. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. And then he wasn't getting his ass licked. I mean, it's a 6006, man. 39 mil, the largest Patek Philippe Calatrava ever made. 39 mils. Uses the micro rotor. That's the same rotor that rooted my world time. The rooted rotor from its 240 movement. Comes standard with the deployment buckle. And I thought it's funky as fuck. We're just about to have Armageddon with the world collapsing. I thought, you know what? Do it, Archie. So let's do an unboxing. So firstly, here we go. Let's do the unboxing. So this here is the cardboard box. This is the cardboard box, which tells you this is the Patek outer box, the cardboard outer box. So beautiful. I'm glad to have it. I like to have these. Often these get thrown away, but I like them. I like to have them. So I gotta tell you, man, these are really cool to have. So okay, here is the box. You can see all the stamps have been clicked to say yes, it's all okay. So let's open her up. So this here, it opens up and it comes out to this cube. Let's just do this one bit at a time. So that's the cardboard box there. It's the outer box. And then it's got this, it's wrapped in bubble wrap, and the bubble wrap is actually glued onto this sort of foamy stuff. So there you go. That's the way they're doing the new Pateks, because this Patek was sold in April 2019. So we're going to take that off. And then da da da, puppy power. And this is the cardboard box. So let's take a look. This is new money. Let's take this top bit off. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Open up. So this top bit, it comes off. Da 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 da, and it's got a hinged part. So what do we got next? Well, we've got the wristwatch itself is in this wooden tomb. It's in the tomb. I love you. New money. New money. Old money. Old money. Old money. So then, if we have a look into the box, it's got the flap, okay? And here, we've actually got a little pull. That's to take our papers out. Now, I gotta tell you, this is actually the new folder. They used to use a leatherette sort of folder. This is actually cow leather. So you can see it itself there. It's in cow leather. So this is quite I think it's an improvement from all the previous ones, which were sort of a V-now, like a Mercedes-Benz Artico, okay? Artificial. So this is, I'm pretty sure this is real leather. Now, we open it up, and then we've got a couple of books. What do we got here? We've got the collector's library. This tells us all about the books you can buy from Patek Philippe. And this is dated. Has it got a date on it? No, it's not dated. Not dated. Okay. So that's that booklet there. Then we've got, because it's a Calatrava, it's got a self-winding movements booklet. This booklet here, it's got a date code. It doesn't actually have a date on it. They've gone a bit tricky. This actually details the movements. So this is 240, 240 PSC, 240 SQU, and 324 SC. So this has got those automatic movements. Okay, beautiful. Let's put that back in. Then on the other side, we have we've got a brochure on the Patek Museum. Then I've also got the piece of à la résistance, the certificate of origin. That's correct. This is the certificate of origin. And this basically, this here is, I just want to cover the dude's name. There we go. That's the certificate of origin. It tells you it was bought at Cortina Watch in the Marina Bay Sands. Cortina Watch Pte Ltd. The shop at Marina Bay Sands, Singapore, 18th of April 2019. Wowzers. Certificate of origin. That's what you want. So that is absolutely beautiful. That's the certificate. This is the leather. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so now let's move on a bit. Let's unwrap this baby. Let's unwrap the baby. So we've got the cloth. Now I'm gonna don some gloves. Don some gloves here. It's a very special occasion. This is a $44,000 Aussie Calatrava. Let's keep the pomp and ceremony going. Keep the pomp and the ceremony. So let's undo this box. It comes out. This is the sleeve, the cloth sleeve. And there we go. We've got the box. So it's the big traditional box. Calatrava buckle. Oh my God. And there we have it. Now, the interesting thing is, old money, old money. What they've done is they used to have a sort of a fake leather interior. This is actually suede now. It's using suede. So it's a suede. The box is actually suede. So looks very discerning indeed there. There we go. So the watch itself being a 6006. Did you know the 6006 is actually the least expensive automatic Calatrava at the moment? It is also, it's the cheapest Patek, the least expensive, cheapest isn't really a good word, to have a stylus, because it uses the stylus to set the date. It doesn't have a quick set date. It uses a stylus. So quite interesting. This stylus here, it's got the Patek logo. I believe it's in gold. So hey guys, very, very cool indeed. And then finally, the piece of à la resistance. Sir, your Patek Philippe is ready. Your Patek Philippe is ready. And I gotta tell you, man, I gotta tell you, this is one of the most beautiful watches of all time. It's one of the most beautiful watches of all time. What makes this deal sweeter is the fact that I'm very excited to have basically an under 12-month-old Patek on my wrist. I mean, the guy who bought it, he's just a typical, you know, he's a newbie with big money. Newbie with money who just buys, and look at that. The money shot. Beautiful Patek Philippe. What more could you want in life? Patek and pussy. That's it. That is it. The guy who owned it, you know, he kind of, he's really cool. I've met him. He's actually a nice, lovely guy. Drives a Tesla. He's loaded. He he bought it for 41,008 Sing. Then he sold it under 30 on the forums. I don't know why you do that, man. And then he's bought a World Time Patek. Don't know why you would do that. Don't know why. I don't know why. No idea why you would do that. Actually, the World Time is beautiful, but wouldn't it be a nice combo to have that and the new World Time? I don't know. I don't understand these people. These people, you know, the rich are different to you and me. The rich are different to you and me. They just, I don't know why would you ever get sick of that? I just adore it. So there you go, guys. A Patek Philippe unboxing live as we head to global depression. Guys, it was a deal I had to do. I had to put a $3,000 in plus my $52.96. I had to do the deal, guys. I had to do the deal. So, guys, that is the reason. That's what I've done. I want to hear your comments. Am I insane? Am I stupid? What do you think? Give me your feedback. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Don't forget to press the bell for updates if we do survive the zombie apocalypse. And guys, until next time, get a paid review done, guys. I'm really desperate. Things are tight. Tight. Paid reviews, $50 I'll review your collection. I'll tell you what I think. I'll give you the good, the bad, the ugly. I'll do it all. Until then, guys, later. See you later. 6006. Do you mind?
all snuggle up in each other's arms. Do you mind if I stay by your side, just looking at you at the time that goes by? Do you mind if I stay by your side, just looking at you at the time that goes by?
Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW.
Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mark Goldberg for ArchieLuxury AC3, the Pontiff Satan de Ville. I want to sincerely thank you for having sat through this video because I know it was awful, but you know what? You do it for the greater good of humanity. Thank you so much. Now, a couple of quick pieces of homework. Now that you've watched this video, I would like you to hit thumbs up. If you must, hit thumbs down, but if you'd hit thumbs up, I would especially appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a really nasty comment and tell him how awful this content was, but most importantly of all, the entire reason that I am linking up with ArchieLuxury in the first place. I am a published author. Let Dogs Be Dogs, available in bookstores, Amazon, and electronically somewhere near you. Remember, ArchieLuxury, he's not just a figment of your imagination.